Let us start an important compound known as bleaching powder. Formula is CaOCl2, known as calcium oxychloride. Second name is calcium hypochlorite. Okay, now how to prepare this bleaching powder? When dry slake lime, dry slake lime reacts with chlorine gas, what happens? What is the formula of slake lime? Slake lime is also known as lime water. CaOH twice when it reacts with chlorine gas. This is dry slake lime. Okay, then CaOCl2, that is called calcium oxychloride, is produced and water is released. CaOCl2 plus water is released. This is known as what? Bleaching powder. Okay, now what are the uses of bleaching powder? Very well known bleaching powder is, which is used to remove color in laundry, to remove color of clothes in laundry. It is also used to remove the yellowish tan of paper, and the paper converts into white paper. That is called, that's why we write here it is used in paper industry. I think you have a notebook of Navneet or classmate, and the pages of this type of costly notebook is very fine and glossy, maybe clear, totally white. Okay, so it is used in paper industry. If it is used to remove the color of cloth, you can write that it is used in textile industry. It is used as a disinfectant. Bleaching powder is used as a disinfectant of drinking water. And it is used as an oxidizing agent in chemical industries. Okay, this is about bleaching powder. Now another important compound is baking soda. Baking soda. Formula is NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. When sodium chloride, brine means solution of sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and ammonia gas pass over it. So when carbon dioxide gas and ammonia means NH3 pass over brine. What do you mean by brine? Aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Then baking soda is formed. So NaCl, brine means NaCl plus H2O. When carbon dioxide and ammonia pass over it, okay, NaCl plus H2O, this is called brine. and carbon dioxide and ammonia pass over it. Then sodium hydrogen carbonate is formed. Ammonium chloride is also formed. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, this is called mild basic salt. Mild basic salt. When this sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate is also known as sodium bicarbonate. When it is heated, when NaHCO3 is heated, NaHCO3, heated means triangle symbol, then it forms sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 plus carbon dioxide and water. Balance. So in this way, sodium carbonate, that is called washing soda, is also produced. So what are the uses of baking soda? See, in this reaction, when sodium bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate, when it is heated, then carbon dioxide gas is produced. Because of this carbon dioxide gas, cake and common dhokla, etc., it becomes spongy. Okay? So, because of carbon dioxide gas, bread or cake, you can write khaman, dhokla, etc., becomes spongy. Okay, so this reaction is used. It is also used as an ingredient of antacid. It is used as a ingredient in antacid. That means sometimes some people directly use this baking soda as an antacid. Baking soda તમારા ઘરે હોય, બરાબર, એને પાણીમાં નાખી અને પી જાઓ, that is called antacid, ENO. બરાબર છે? It is also used in soda, to prepare soda. And it is also used as a fire extinguisher. Okay? In your school or classes, maybe there is a fire extinguisher, and if you press it, then white color powder comes out, which is known as baking soda, which is used to extinguish fire. So this white soda covered on the fire, and then fire do not react with oxygen of atmosphere, and it will stop. So these are the uses of baking soda and bleaching powder. Now we are going to learn washing soda. Write it properly. See, washing soda, it is Na2CO3 10H2. Na2CO3 10H2O, sodium carbonate, decahydrate. Sodium carbonate decahydrate, 10 atom of water is added with sodium carbonate. See, in this reaction we see that when sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is heated, then sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water vapor is produced. Okay, so when NaHCO3, 2 times NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate, when it is heated, then sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, carbon dioxide and water is formed. The same equation. When this sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, reacts with 10 atoms of water, then it forms washing soda, Na2CO3, 10H2O, sodium carbonate decahydrate. Is it okay? You know the uses of sodium carbonate, very useful and very well known. It is used to wash the clothes. Okay, means in laundry it is used. In laundry you can write that it is used in textile industry also. It is used to prepare laundry or textile industry. It is used in preparation of soap. We will learn in chapter number 4, carbon. Okay, it is used in preparation of soap, preparation of glass and preparation of paper. Means you can write in paper industries. Okay, it is also used as a cleaning agent. It is used as a cleaning agent to clean particularly glasses or TV or fridge, etc. For cleaning purpose we use it. It is used in preparation of sodium compound. Like borax, formula is Na2B4O7, borax powder which you used while playing carom. Have you? It is also used to remove permanent hardness of water. It is used to remove permanent hardness of water. So these are the uses of washing soda. Very easy, you have to learn it, write it 2 times and then learn it. And the last topic of your lesson is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is also very useful, very well known. When gypsum is heated, see, plaster of Paris, formula is CaSO4 half H2O. Chemical name is calcium sulfate. Hemihydrate. Hemi means half, just like hemisphere, half sphere. So, plaster of Paris, when gypsum is heated at 373 Kelvin temperature, when gypsum is heated at 373 Kelvin or 100 degrees Celsius temperature, then plaster of Paris is formed. See, gypsum means CaSO4, 2 atoms of H2O. When it is heated at 373 Kelvin temperature, it forms CaSO4 half H2O. So remaining 1.5 H2O releases. This is called gypsum. This is called plaster of Paris. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Okay. Now uses that doctor use. Okay. So doctor uses plaster up for supporting fracture bones on the right place. Doctors use it to set fractured bones at right position. Is it okay? It is also used to prepare or in making of toys. It is used in some decorative items, materials. As for example, at your home, ceiling is decorated with the help of this plaster of Paris. To make the surface smooth also, sometimes we use plaster of Paris. Surface smooth, plaster of Paris is used. See, do you know why it is called plaster of Paris? Plaster, it is used in plaster to set the fractured bones at the right position. That's why it is known as plaster. But for the first time, this material, plaster of Paris, is preparing Paris city. And that's why from that day, it is known as plaster of Paris. That's it for this chapter, acids, bases and salts. See, this chapter is very easy. Okay, but you have to learn it. You have to learn these equations. Equation is little bit typical. You have to learn the formula. You have to learn the equation. Write it 2 to 3 times. We will upload in text answer and exercise answer after this chapter. So don't bother about it. Okay. That's it for this chapter. That's it for the day. That's it for the lecture. And stay safe and enjoy.